Welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Pipedrive account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove an email account from your Pipedrive CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove an email from your Pipedrive account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that you can cycle through various email accounts, and sometimes they're inactive, so you need to remove them from your Pipedrive CRM. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Pipedrive account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Pipedrive, and this is the home screen. But here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and remove an email address, go ahead and click on your profile icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on company settings. It looks like a gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu here on the left, and you want to click on this button here called email sync. It looks like an envelope. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the email boxes that you have in Pipedrive. You can see I just have these two. So first, go ahead and choose the email address you want to delete from your Pipedrive. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. Once you've chosen, it's going to open up the settings for that particular email. And in order to delete it or remove it from Pipedrive, scroll all the way to the bottom. Okay, once you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see the section account management. And in order to delete this, click on remove account. Okay, so here Pipedrive is going to let you know that you're about to delete this email account from your Pipedrive account. So if you want to send emails, you'll need to reconnect it in the future for that particular email box. It also let you know if you remove the account, it doesn't delete any emails that you already have synced. If you're okay with that, click on remove account. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that email address has been removed from my Pipedrive account. So I used to have 2 active emails. Now I only have 1. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove an email address from your Pipedrive account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.